guys, today I am going to show my YouTube channel new solutions. How to fix Instagram Meta AI delete permanently. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. First, open, tap and hold Instagram app. Open app information, delete player storage and player keys. Click on permission and enable all permission allow. Open Play Store and search Instagram. And update check Instagram. Instagram update check already. Now reset your phone and logging Instagram. So finally Instagram Meta AI removed. Thank you.